Hello everyone, welcome to the start of the EMF Detection Series. And I am the Electromagnetic Field Protection Guru. In this video, I am going to go over how is EMF exposure measured, as well as typical values that you would find. Now, there are two ways on how you could measure EMF exposure. And the first way is use personal meters. So it's recommended to be worn at the waist and record the exposure level over a period of time, such as when you're at work or when you're at home. So studies tend to show that wearing these meters, you would see that appliances as well as building wiring um, is usually the main contribution to your magnetic field exposure. Now, if let's say if you are wearing these personal meters and you find it otherwise, then you might need to find out what's the source of your EMF exposure. Now, the next one that I want to talk about is the Gauss meters. Or Tesla meters if you are actually outside of North America, where Tesla is the official measurement unit. But what we use in North America is called the Gauss meter because it's measured in Gauss. And what it does, it actually takes spot measurements for you. So, like, let's say if you are um, turning on the equipment, what it would do is it would read the magnetic field level at that particular spot at that particular time. So is it accurate? Yes, but it's only for a specific short time window. So what are the typical EMF exposure levels? Well, the average should be less than 2 milligauss. And if you can see, this is the table from EMF Research and Public Information Dissemination, which is also short formed as EMF Rapid. And you could see that the average 24-hour field for that is less than 0.5 milligauss is what around 76% of the population in the US is exposed on. Now, if you can see that anything that's higher than 5 is actually less than 1% of which the US population is exposed on. So here you could see that anything that's more than 2% is actually of very, very rare as exposure levels for people in the United States. So now this is based on a population of 267 million people. So if you measured that your exposure level is higher than 2, I would say you should consult an EMF specialist or consultant as to what to do in order to lessen your EMF exposure. Now, there's another study by EPRI, or the Electric Power Research Institute, and they did a study for over 992 houses throughout the US, and half of the studies had measurements less than 0.6 milligauss, and the mean of the sample of those homes is 0.9 milligauss. So again, I would stick with the 2 milligauss. If the area that you are in is higher than 2 milligauss, you should seek professional help or advice as to how you could lower the EMF levels, or if, like, let's say power lines are in the vicinity, you might want to consider moving. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that the information that I provide you is is going to be helpful for your research and analysis on the EMF levels around you. Please join us by joining us as a member, as part of the EMF Electromagnetic Protection Group, by clicking and filling out our registration form in the description on my video below. And what would you get from this membership is you would get the latest news on EMF research. You were also going to get the latest free tools to analyze the EMF levels around you. You will also get reviews on what is effective and what is not effective with regards to EMF detection and protection. Now, if you join now, you will receive some of my experiences in EMF consultation, and that is the typical EMF levels that you will see for your home appliances. So what you have in this sheet right here is going to be very useful information, as these are some of the measurement ranges that I obtain from different households using a industrial level EMF detection equipment. And these values are what I've got through my years of experience as an EMF consultant. So this information is very useful when you are doing the readings yourself, or when you are asking someone to do readings for you, because now you would have reference values to base it off, as to see whether or not your appliances and home equipment resides in the low value or high value of the EMF range. So be sure to join us, be part of our membership. It's free. Subscribe to our channel for our latest videos. I hope you enjoy these information. I hope this helps you in your EMF research and analysis. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.